Okay, then we should make finish this corner box or whatever you call it. And also you can see, maybe if we have time, I think we have, we can start to change the doors. That is this one and this one inside here, I think. That is also should be double, with two different kind of double. So we see on that, changing the stand for this, but first this corner board, whatever we call it. So, but I can check out in quality if this roof tile fix it. No, it's crazy. Okay. Why is the surface? Have I exploded this by accident? Oh, now I try to do it again. Try to rotate it in render. That's not clever. At least not on my machine. It seems like I have somehow exploded this from roof slab to surface. And that can be why this material change. So go to hidden line. I go to wireframe. I can take this. It is a TC surface. So it had been exploded for, I have been collecting it somehow. That's blind. Maybe I can mirror copy the other one. We try that. Take this one off. Must be the top here. Not this. That surface. But why is there a roof slab there? Yada. Ah, this is this thing for hang the roofs. The stones on. That's a roof slab and that's the surface. That's one I delete. And I see from top. I can take away the other two. This and this. Now there's only one left here. I say plane by world. Down there. And then a mirror copy from nearest here. And press shift up there. Then it's over there. And then I can render it, just in draft. Now they are normal. I need to drag this into the wall. Now I nearly said this have rotated, but I have not. I go back again to hidden line. No, I don't. I go to wireframe. I take this and I've used the edit tool. Ah, that's, no. I want this one to go into J. Ah, that was simple. But I wanted to be a little bit outside. There's something else there. What is that? This roof. Okay, not what I want. I want the roof slab there. Take this little bit out here again. And then I can go to this view. see how it looks like in hidden line. Yeah, now I see the line there again. I see the line there, and up there is also, yeah, I think that's okay. From top and in wireframe, Shaken Stevens. I'll make some box again, rectangle. I can just make them as box. No, make them as rectangle. The front I want to be 6 inch, that's 19 by 148. 19, 148. And I want one that is from here, B, that is like 1 inch smaller, so that would be 98. So then it should be 98 by 19. And because in real world we never make this look nice, so I move this, I don't know, 5 millimeter, and I need to make a copy also, because we have right side and left side. So I rotate about this point, pressing shift, and then I have left side and right side. I want them to be black. I want them to have a layer that is corner box. This one, I don't know exactly how tall they are. Let's say if I make them, there's no place, make them 5 meters, that's easy. Then I go selection info and I give them all thickness of 5,000. And I want them to be solid. I like that. I will be solid anyway because they didn't like that. There we go. Then I take this and I just drag it over here someplace. And now it should be in this corner, this should be in that corner. Because where I'm from, the gable wall always covered the long wall, we call it. So, what is that? This slab. Floor 1 is not correct. Yeah, I see something there. See something here. That it was not correct earlier. So I need to go and check this. But this line should be here. I remember I see that. We can try to remember. Now they're 5 meters long, and I go and see from this maybe, yeah. I'll take it from that one. Select this. No, that was stupid. Or was it? Yeah, I take this. I set the reference point down here. There. D in G. D in V. It's no good. So I put this and I make a group. Format. A group. I call this corner right. And then I can copy this one. Just to snap it up here on the bottom of the wall. on V. And then this corner should be the same, only need to rotate it afterwards on B. Do the same on this one. D in V, and then they are symmetrical. They are on the same layer, I hope now, yeah. This and the group. Corner L. L. And I can stamp that also. That should be on this corner here, on that point, on B. And it should also be on this corner here will also be a V. Yeah. This one is the right corner. There's a corner here. Now they're coming out some piece of wood there. And this is there, and then it is, what will this one be? That will be a right. And here it doesn't matter because it will be somehow, it will be wrong anyway. This, then I take the one there. And I copied that also. Should be one here, I think. Yeah, take one there, V, and also one here. This is V. This was the left one. Then there should be one here also. Where's that wall? Difficult to see now. That is L left. Up there we also should have. Then we can take this, and I will rotate it 180, I believe. Seems correct. This one is correct. This one should be rotated 180. This one, I believe, stands correct. We have some wall coming out later. Go to hidden line. Take away this waterboard thing. And waterboard. I'm going to take away the gutter also. I want to snap to this wall. This one is the left. So I want to snap this to this one. B. And also on here. I don't know what I need if I say V here. V. I think we go down. Then I want the right one. Oh, that was the left. This one, it should be correct. I want the right one, that's this. I want to stamp that also. See if I'm lucky this time also. Or here and say to V. No, I didn't find it. V. Seems like it go down. this and this 3, this 2, there's 1 left. Over here. That should also be B. And this one should be rotated 180. And this, not there. This. Rotate, this is rotate. This need to be rotate. This is correct. This is can be correct. Doesn't matter what it is. Somewhat they are wrong anyway. This one need to be rotated. This one. It should be -90. And this is correct. And this should be +90, I think. And this is then correct. Yep, I think everything is correct now. Now we need to make this, that should be here on the corner. There I only want to have, how much is it? If I take, face it here, and I want to measure from V to nearest. That's 5 inch. If we do a good job for the carpenter, they don't use it. They meter the corner and glue it, so it will shrink in the other way. I don't know if we should put it here. At least we should have one. That would be one, but that would be the other way. You have there and here. Be the same thing. Now we're putting on here, making 3 inch, same like this one. Then I go to wireframe again, frame by world. New box. This way, and it should be 19. 70. If I tap 19, 70. Where do I make that if I ask? There. Let's go in there, one there. Yeah, I'll do that. And then I make one more. $19 and $70. Take this and I rotate 30 degrees. Just be 30 like that. Also, no, that is 60. That is 60. D in V to V, and then I make them together. Add this one and this one and finish. Now there should be a region, so Alt Shift E and they become polyline. they can be 5 meters. I like them to be solid. D in V, and I should have that up in this corner here, V. We can try and see if we can. Oh, I forgot to change. They should be black, and they should be in corner box layer down. Yeah, that's okay. Then we need to do the same here, but now it's 30 and 30, I believe. There, and I make a new box. On this 70 by 19. One more. Now it is 70 by 19. This one I will take minus 30. And this one I will take 30. And D in V to V. V. And I make them together also. This one and this one. And finish. And then I explode. I'll shift E. I give it 5,000. They should be solid. They should be black, and they should be in corner box. And D in V. Should be in well. And this V. Then we can try mirror copy on to this side. No, yes we do. Don't need to make it. Only need to move it. I take select this one and by word, and I take a mirror copy nearest, then this way, this over here someplace. I see it's from the side. Yeah, it has the reference point down. So then I put this on V and this in this box. Then we have take this is the side. Oh, far down there. Delete. Delete. 9. I think I have everything done. So I take and select by layer and I move it down 20 millimeter. Okay, we don't need this to have, but it's no big thing. And this, and I now should have the work plane under the, should not see the roof tiles at the moment, but I want to see this one. I should cut it under this. I think we need to take this wall, drag up there too. that I remember seeing sometime. Now we do this now. If I say top wall modifier thing, this one, O4. Now this is all slab. So this to that slab. How will that look now? Nobody know because we have this corner board on. This to this. Then I want my work line under here. Work line by face it on this plate, and then I want to slice this one. Was this a group? Not possible. Okay. Control T, G, group, OK. It's only this one, yes. Alt, Shift, E. Now there's single object again. I was under here. Slice and delete. So I want to take that polyline, and that's all I do it. That was stupid. On that work plane, I should be here. Work plane by faces under this one, and then I should take that one. And I should take that one. And see a work plane under this one. Have it there already, I don't know. I want to have this one, what are going out. Slice, and this one. And this corner is finished. I can go under here. This, I want to take that one and delete. And I want to take that one and delete. And I want to be under this one. Oh, and I want to be under this one. That was a group already when we... No, it was a group, and then we make polyline out of it. And then I want to change my work plane under there, and I want to take, there is a corner up here, this one, and there should be a part up there. What will happen with this one? It's not good to say, this will go down. I think we can take this. Yeah. Under the roof here. Then I take that line, and the same here. It should be under this one. I face it here. Take that one and this one. And still under this, then I can take this. And I should under this one. And I take this one. should be correct. Then I think we have it. Only there is something here that's going down under her. So I say my workbench should be on, face it here, and I turn off the roof because I want to slice. This I have to slice. This one I take away that part. Maybe same here. Yeah. This one and that one. And I can pass back again those. So there I have this. And then I think to make a new material. Go there. Because I want it to be something similar to the cladding, so we don't see it too much. Now this don't show. This hopefully it's only a render thing. I have moved this. There also I have moved. It's just a render. I hope. I go to wireframe and I save. And there was a line there. Remember there was a line flying up in the air someplace. There was also a profile down here someplace, I think, to remember. I see when I edit the video. But maybe I take it later. I don't see it now. Or maybe it also is inside this waterboard layer. No, must be one I had deleted later. And it was in the very beginning of the video, or there was a profile someplace. I don't see it now. So then, this be. I need to go to render manager. Just stand on high. So then I go to material, and I want the cladding, and I want the edit, and I take a copy. Yeah, I go cladding color. But now I need to make a picture for that. I cannot do that in here. Nope. I need to go to my texture. See, texture. I lost this. Yeah. There, I already make it. But I should take it one more time. Like this. I want to find the color that can be in general. This area here maybe. Yeah, I think that it can be okay. Redigere og opprett. Edit it, and I want to rotate it. Where did it go? It's here. So I want to take this in to here, that into there. It's not possible. What the heck? Why did I do that last time then? That's fun. Do it now then. Yay. I only want this little color here, but I don't want to see this. Take it up there, and I don't want to see this. I'll take it down there, and this got stretched out. We get the color, but we don't see all this pattern, I think. Lag en kopi. This is okay. Now talgbrun 2. Why didn't I get the option to say material name? Yeah, okay. Talgbrun 2. That is the name. Then we remember that. I close this one. I go back to TurboCAD, and this should be this one. Open, and it should be cladding color. Then I go say apply and go, and I can go in view, and I can go to select all this corner box and say select by, and I go to material, and I give them cladding color, this, and then I can go to draft. Yeah, we don't have the time, so okay. The layer roof tiles, nice to see. Yeah, now this behave. That's very good. Somehow I have exploded that roof slab. That's why the materials go crazy. On here we nearly don't even need the gutter, but there you go, it is there. So then we have it, and now we also see it's difficult to see this material. It's not nice, but on a distance you nearly don't see it. And that's what I want to have. But now we can go in quality also. Yeah, it's same. Difficult to see. So then we are basically finished with the house. The house itself. We have this slab thing that I talking about earlier. Just leave it there, because in section drawing it will show 2 layers but no material if it's in wireframe, so that's good too. And then we see if it later come back. Gutter. Should we do it? No, we don't. Okay, then we know this looks okay. I go back again to draft. It looks okay here. Yeah. We need to make a profile to cut opening for this 2 window here. Like I say, this door should be double. One of the interior door there should be double. But they are 2 different styles, 2 different ways to be double, if you can say it like that. So upside, everyone is just standard. There's no special about it. Yeah, so I go to wireframe and I take away the roof. I don't need this waterboard, corner box, or exterior door 1 I need. Exterior 1. I don't need anything of this. I don't need the slab. Interior 1, do I want that? No. I don't need the floor. Then now I have from the first floor left. The window we don't do anything with. Or they can be, let me see what time we have here. Using around. Yeah. I don't think we do more than the style on the door. Then we are close to 1 hour and we stop it on this. I'll minimize this again. Then we should make this. What's this exterior door one style? I go to door style, and it was external based on. This is internal based, and I copy this. Say new name, and I just copy, Control C, and I say cancel, and then I make a new, say Control V, base door double, and I also take this new style, Control V, main, and I make one more, Control V, secondary, second. Then I go first on this one, that should be the double, and then we need to change from single to a double. Where we have a double, that's a double, and that's okay. Then we change this to a double, and this door should be a main. Jesus, I was shaking. This my screen card is not happy. That is the main, and that is second. This is the 3 door, and then we have, I take away interior door, didn't I? This door, isn't it? Yeah. And I go to style. I have the interior base. I go to name, and I Control C, cancel, and I make a new, and I write Control V, double. There should also be another one, Control V, pocket. Okay. This one should be 1.5 meter. That we take from selection info. This one should be the interior door double. It should be 1490. Wait. Potato finger. 90. This is the same. This is 180. This is the same. That's a double, and that should be a pocket. And then I go down to the style, and the sign is not single anymore. It should be, I think it's named pocket inside here too. Single, double, uneven, opposed to beautiful. The pocket. This is just a normal. No, this should be some uneven double or something. Or bifold double. Bifold. What's a bifold? Double pocket, sliding double. Sliding triple, overhead one. Single. Uneven. what happens if I say uneven? No. It should split in two door. Uneven D hung. What's that is? No. Double focus sliding, double slide. Oh. Okay, I put it on the double now. This is 150, 90, 40. Then this, I want that side of it to be, or maybe that side, 35 centimeter. Leaf 350. Not the style. Rectangular. I don't know what is that. Single D hung, double D hung? No. I don't even know the name of it. Uneven opposing? No. Nearly. Uneven double hung, it may be that meaning. Yay! So then we have this, then we have, you see one door leaf is big and one is small. And that we can control with the leaf. That is the meaning of that. Where leaf. So leaf is 350. Only thing is, I cannot say that I don't want to open this. When I set the door open, they will both open. Could be nice, it's possible to have this. I can also make like this and make that. If we could say that only one door should open, we can say this also and close one of them. That'd be more nice. But then I would have closed this one. The area inside here where people can sit, a little bit windy, then don't need to have a door in the face. So then we had changed the styles. And then we need to make some profile to cut out the glass. This is 150, this was 180, wasn't it? Yeah. I go to world plane and I go to plane by world, and then I go into style and I go into profile style, and I make a new. I forgot to take the measurement. Cancel. Put on the wall. I need the window in first floor, they are there. But I also need the wall so I know where it is. How tall up it is. Let's say wall 1. And I see from the front. I want to know how much there is from the glass there and down. By active view, and I say measurement from nearest to nearest 640. I'll leave it there in case I forget it. I forget very quick. I won't forget this shaking thing. I also uploading video same time now, so maybe, because now it's really crazy. Then I go back, plane by world, top view. I go into style, profile, make a new. I say I want to have a new. Then I say double terrace. Okay. Then now I'm inside the edit mode from this, so I make a rectangle. I want it to be black, can be by layer. And I draw a frame, this outer side of the door, that is, that was not big. It is 1790 and 2090. And zoom is done. Right, go. Didn't I make it? Top is 1790. Top 2090 enter. And I did it. We have used 50mm on the frame. So I want to have an offset of 50. I want to draw a line from V over here. And I'm lifting that up in Y. We're working in 2D now, so remember that. 640. And then we need one more offset. I say that this door at 90mm before we meet the door. So then I want to have an offset of 50. No, I want to have an offset of 90. From this to this. And I take this one up to nearest, or J. I draw a line. If you meet this, never say OK, because then everything disappears. You say cancel. I don't know why you think I say it was finished. So I want to have a line from the middle of this one, from M, and just drag it down here. And then, of course, the door leaf will have 9090 there as well. Offset, it is on 90, so enter. So this way and that way. That is the opening that should have glass in the door. So now I draw some new rectangles from V down to V, from V to V, finish. This one I don't want, this I don't want, excuse me, Control Z, this one, how many do I have? I have polyline there, I don't have it here, a little bit too quick. I want from B to I. Yeah. Do I have two here? Not this, but this. Yeah. Take this one and I delete them, and I take that one and delete, and this one and delete. Because this is a 2D tool, and I forget always to change over from 3D to 2D. So then I select them, I say plane by world and Alt Shift W. Else you will get this warning, this may be moved a fraction of a millimeter, and then it's not same work plane, blah blah blah, it don't work. So now we should make the boundary profile. We say this is the boundary profile. Now you see it turn blue, and I right click and say finish. Now I should make the hole, this, I say this one, shift, and this one, and I say finish. And then I should say finish there or finish there. Normally it should have shown there, maybe it's after. Finish, there it comes. Now I make the profile. And then I can say this door, I want to close it, selection info. I want it to be closer. And in the style, that's why we make all the styles, because this style will now have a profile, and that is double tap. Now, and if I now go and see it from the side, you see we have glass. If I go to render, when we set material, we already set that it should be glass in there, but we never say there should be muntins, so we can take that door. I think we should look at the picture now, by the way. I don't remember how many glass there was. There is this 640, I don't need. I take on picture, and this one. Yeah, show. That was not many. 2 by 2 glass. No, yeah, 2 by 2. No, there's something more there. I don't see a correct picture. I don't see correct there either. This is a double. We see barely one edge there in the middle. Yeah, that's the middle of the door. So it is 2 by 2 in each field. Yeah, that it must be a close picture. And I take that door again, I go to that style, and that I can do in Style Manager. I find the wall style, no, I find the door style, and it is this external base door double. I should have called it terrace or something. Anyway, there it is, and we want to have muntins. We add. And I want to see it from the side. It's all, meaning that it's both door leaf. If I take single, I can choose between right and left, I think. It is rectangular. I want to have 2, and I want to have 2. Now I have 2 by 2 glass. The width, I say, should be 40 millimeter, and the height of it can be 50. The door is 50, the glass is 15 or 16. So anyway, it's less than 50. That is what was my point. And we already also say this. So this is named Tag 2x2, a 2 by 2 glass. OK and OK. There it comes. And we have already set the material. No, we didn't. We didn't set material on muntins. That we do in material. Yeah, muntin should be black ceramic. When I change, I say the muntins should be the same, like something else. But it should be, the door is white. Panel, interior molding, so then this also should be interior molding. That was the thing. Interior molding. Okay. Because now the height of the glass here should match the height of the glass there. Theoretically. No, it don't. Because I take 64 on the door. That should be 23 more down. Yeehaw. Okay, wireframe. Plane by world. I go back to this one, and I go to edit content. I see it from the top, and I am on world, and I should drag this 2 more down. I go with edit tool, I take this tool, I can take this there. Because it's 220 plus 10, so it's minus 230 in delta y, I assume. Minus 230, there it should be. And then I say save, and now I go down there, you see, the muntins have changed. I go out from edit, and I go to quality run. There we have it. And if I see it from right, oh, I'm stupid, I always forget. There you see this window and this glass is now the same level. That is what I want to show. So I go back again to hidden line. Now we can take this uneven. It's more simple if I go to wireframe and I go to top view. I go to plane by world. And I go there and I make a new one and I say double uneven. We could also write the dimension 15 by 21, big number. So, and then I got this, and I'm in here, I make a rectangle. The same, that should then be 1490 by 2090. That is the door. And I then say offset. First it is 50, and then it is 90, and we have this line from B. 64 minus 23 is 41. 410 delta y 410. Take the same like the exterior door. I take this. Do I get up to J? Delete that, I don't need. Same thing here. I make a line from B. The problem is I don't know what is left or right, but we see. Take it down here. Shift. And then I offset this. 35 minus 9 is 26. And 260. There do now. Of course we already have one there. This is 26, that is the thing. And then I go 90 back and forth. We can change it. Yeah. We move it 10 centimeters. But this is damn small. I move it in delta X. How big is this? This is only a 5 centimeter thing, isn't it? Yes, it's a 5 centimeter thing. But the door is still 90, but this one is 50. There. Now that will look stupid. Yeah, now I move it 10 centimeters. Delta X. 100, and then I want to have offset. I stand on 260, I want 90, this way and that way. I want to draw a rectangle from V to I, and from I to V. This one I delete, this one I delete. Again, and this one delete. Like this. Bible, Alt, Shift, W. And I think this is the frame, so then it's finish. Now we'll make the hole as this two, this one, and shift this one, and it is finish, and I say finish. And I say that door should have that profile there, and profile is uneven, this one. I don't know if it's correct, but we see that later when we close it. This and the muntins, there should be like cancel. We are finished with there. I put on picture again. No, I don't. I go down and I look on the picture. They are inside. Oh, they are right far away. It's inside my D. It's inside the user someplace. There. And it's in my name, and it's inside OneDrive and document. One, drawings. What did it? What do I want? It was not there at all. But it is on D. Yeah. Project, house movie, there. Picture, that's the first one. We need to find that C. I think remember there was like tin. We see it here, but it's not good. I'm pretty sure I've seen that door someplace, but obviously we have not seen it. Try, no, we cannot. Don't even manage to see this here. There is something here, so I think it is a little bit high down there. Look like a mirror in this corner. So if I don't see anything else, then I say to us, that is what we have. Don't show anything about the right one. Okay, but we go back and we say the word. I think the movie, the video take time now, so we after this door we stop and we take the two exterior door next time. How much is it? Yes, more than 1 hour. It's already too long. Okay, this one we should have muntins. Let's say now we use single. This is, let's say we have 5 in the height and 4 in the width. Add 4, 5, 5. That's on my single. We see, it's difficult to know, but you know, you see it here, but normally it always comes the wrong way. So when I stand here now, I hope it's coming here on the door. It's rectangular. I want to have on the height I want to have 5, and on the width I want to have 4. And the dimension, the width of them can be, they are very thin for interior door. So I say 8 millimeter or 10. Not important. At least we see it. This, cool. But then I guess we have this black. Cool. And we have black there too here. That was, there's the leather black. That's why I cannot delete that material. It's already used. We use internal molding, didn't we? Yeah. Open. And then we see, yeah, I meet the small window under this, but I need to go and rotate this thing. I think that is the issue. So I go back there and I go to this style, edit content, top view, pivot. This I want to rotate. I cannot do that. Okay. Because this is 2D, not 3D. Yeah, but if I say it in 3D then. No, it was. And there it was black as the night. No, it was in 3D. So I want to delta set. No, I want to rotate it about Y. 180. Oh. It's not good. That is, I see it from top. Happening by, well, I'll take this, Alt Shift double V. Now this is moved, so it seems to be correct. Like this, and now this is come, but the door is not correct. There's something wrong in the calculation. If I take that door and I close it, and I don't need exterior wall, I see it from the front in hidden line. Yeah. Hidden line. That is the issue. This must be moved 19 centimeter. Yeah, 19, 20. No, how much? 9 do we take? You take 9. That means plus 18 between here, and then we need to take away this distance. There, from N, let's say by face it from V to V, 10 millimeter. I should move it 17 to get that was too much thinking now on the end of the video. This one, I move it 1 centimeter, then it was 18, and then I move it 9 more, that's 10 centimeter. This got 10, there would be 9 left here. So 10 centimeter, this 2 should be moved. Then I go to, why is this up there? I don't I go to wireframe, I go to top, I go to style, I go to this, edit content. I'm sure I'm on world, and I do edit. I say this two should go 10 centimeters this way. That is positive X. 100. And that should be OK. And edit this. And I can go to front view. This look similar to me, yeah. And I go hidden line, and now it's correct. But on this one we cannot have anything in the center. That will look stupid compared to this. So on this one we only have the horizontal. So we have 1, 2, that was 5. That should be on the other one. We see what it is. Then I go to door style. It was this interior double. Yes. And I should go to the muntin material, that's correct. The muntins. I have 4 by 5. Then I add 1 by 5. That's the single. It's on number 2. And it should be, what do you take, 20? I see. And 10, I think. On the wide, only 1, but there should be 5 on the height. This you see coming up here. Why didn't cut out that? 5 and 1. This is correct anyway, I think. I'll show all. Behave different. Because we don't have one vertical there. OK. Now I have it. This is OK. And I think we should say now that it is finish of the video. I should try to make something that looks okay for the picture. I go there. People see that I have made this, and we have made that. People see different. So I stop the video on this point.